What's going on, everyone? So at WWDC, another thing that Apple unveiled was their new edition of OS X, OS X Mavericks. They have gone away from the cat names and now started naming their operating system after great landmarks in California. Apple was very proud to acknowledge the state of California, where they design and think of all their great products that they build for us, basically the consumers. And with Mavericks, one of the first things that they showed off was Finder tabs, basically tabs similar that you would see in your internet browser to better organize your files and share files with AirDrop. We'll get to AirDrop in a little bit, as they also added AirDrop to iOS. I'll probably do a whole iOS 7 video coming out as well, going over all the new details that Apple showed off with new iOS 7. But in addition to Finder tabs, they showed off Finder tagging, or I guess tagging throughout the operating system as well. Tagging now allows you to organize your files by tag, so when you're searching your computer, you can search by the tag and it'll basically show those important files that you're looking for, or whatever tag you decide. You can even customize your own tag to put under different file categories to keep things organized in kind of a new way, to work more efficiently. And efficiency is definitely something that we will see with Mavericks. Apple definitely talked about efficiency and longer battery life throughout the operating system as a whole. And one of those things that they talked about was in their advanced technologies called App Nap, whereas with App Nap, it actually will put an app to sleep or not draw power from it while it is not in use, or it is behind another application that you're currently using. So the computer will get more battery life. Apple's saying that with Mavericks, your computer's battery life could actually increase because the operating system is so efficient at using the battery life. Another new feature in Mavericks is external displays are getting way better now. You can now use your dock on your external display. You'll have your menu bar across your external displays, and even with AirPlay and an Apple TV, you can turn your HD TV into basically an Apple computer with the dock and the menu bar. Share your files across the displays easily. The applications that you're currently running in full screen, run those very easily through your external displays now. Just much more smoother, crisp operating system with OS X Mavericks. Apple was also saying that with Mavericks, your scrolling is going to be much more smoother. They're saying up to 60 frames per second scrolling, which is just absolutely ridiculous. Super smooth, super crisp scrolling in Mavericks. In addition to that, you have iCloud keychains, where you're going to be having more secure access to all of your passwords across all of your iOS devices and your Mac with OS X Mavericks. It'll basically store your keychain in the cloud as long as you have that one password that opens and enables you to use the keychain. You will be able to access your passwords more easily across all your devices and store your credit card information as well. Of course, they noted that you will have to remember your security code on your credit card, because that's what makes it secure to begin with. Two new applications that are going to be coming to OS X Mavericks include iBooks and Maps. So the big thing with Maps is you'll be able to enter your route and directions and then sync that up, and then it'll actually transfer right over to your iOS device as you're headed out the door, so your map will be ready to go when you get in your car, or as you're going to your car, it'll be loaded up, ready to go. With iBooks, you'll be able to store your iBooks on your Mac now. I think this is going to be a really big thing for people who are studying or are able to get their textbooks through iBooks. They'll be able to keep their notes and study a lot more efficiently with iBooks on the Mac. Apple showed you could even do like note cards and highlight the notes, and then when you're done with the chapter, it creates a set of note cards for you to study from off of that. Safari is also going to be getting a fresher, cleaner look with OS X Mavericks. Apple has updated the top sites to have a more cleaner look, just clean, fresher, smoother scrolling throughout Safari. Safari will also have a sidebar for notifications from people you follow on Twitter or Facebook. You'll be able to see those links right in the sidebar of your browser for just a better browsing experience overall. If you're somebody who has a lot of people you follow, or you use those links to either share with others or read upon yourself. In addition to Safari getting a cleaner look, Calendar is going to be getting a cleaner, smoother look as well, with an updated inspector to edit your events more efficiently and just organize your days and weeks, months, and even years through your iCal as well. Notification Center is also going to be getting an upgrade in Mavericks as well. It's going to be able to just sync much better across all of your iOS devices and OS X. You're going to be able to reply to notifications just right in the corner of your screen very easily, very quick, very smooth replies to notifications. You no longer have to open the entire notification center to delete or reply to certain notifications. Also, when your computer has been sleeping or on screensaver or locked for whatever reason, when you come back to your computer, all of your notifications that you've missed will be right there in front of you, right on the lock screen as well. The impression I got from Mavericks operating system is that Apple is trying to really integrate with your Mac and your OS or your iOS devices for just seamless transitions between your notifications, your calendar, your browsing, and just making sure everything is synced up really nice and really smooth. And with Mavericks now, they are just really pushing for smooth, sleek, very nice browsing experiences, overall computer experiences, and just looking to improve upon what they have built with OS X, and Mavericks is definitely a leap in the right direction for sure, and it's just going to make using your Macs just that much better than what it is right now. And I think OS X Mavericks is a great operating system to look forward to coming out later this fall, and so look forward to that, and look forward to more of my videos as well on YouTube. I should be making a new one, like I said earlier, about iOS 7. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching.